takes a while. I can smell that olive oil.
What are we making here, girl?
Papa.
Popcorn?
Popcorn.
Who gave you
And
this
then
gift?
you can show it to
Me.
You gave it to me.
Oh, there's one that went. One popped. Here, there's another one.
McKenna, look.
Here they are.
Have you ever seen a popcorn kernel open up in slow motion?
No, that'd be cool.
That's funny. Oh.
Video.
It's popping. It's popping.
Look at it go, Maddie.
Look, it's making popcorn.
Making popcorn. You can see it.
That's a cool gift,
Oh, it
Grandma.
smells good. Oh, smell it already.
You know, when I was growing up, Papa always made us popcorn. Mommy burned her finger on it one time.
And it's red for Valentine's Day. What do you think? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's going wild now.
Going crazy.
There's a little kernel stuck right there.
Maddie, is it going to taste good? Yeah?
See any stuck? There's one like right there.
What do you think, McKenna? Is it going to taste good?
No.